Sigma bonds and pi bonds are in the following molecules is one is ethane molecule and second one is ethylene molecule and third one is ethane molecule. In ethane, the chemical formula is C2H6. Ethane containing only one single bond, that is two carbon atoms between one single bond is there. Remaining hydrogens are attached to carbon atoms, each carbon atom carrying 3 hydrogens. This is the ethane structure. And the other one, ethane, that is ethylene. In ethylene, in having double bonded carbon atoms, that is the chemical formula of ethylene is C2H4. The double bond between the carbon atoms is like this, and the remaining 4 hydrogens are attached to carbon atoms, each carbon atom containing 2 hydrogen atoms. And the other one is ethane. In ethane group carrying triple bonded atom, that is the chemical formula of ethane is C2H2. The triple bond between the 2 carbon atoms and the remaining hydrogens are attached to carbon atoms. These are the structures. Now we have to calculate how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds are there in each molecule. This is the problem. Already we know about sigma bond, single bond is always forms sigma bond and it is a strong bond. And the double bond having one sigma bond and one pi bond. Sigma is a strong bond, pi bond is a weak bond. And other triple bond is containing one sigma and 2 pi bonds. One sigma bond is between the 2 pi bonds, pi bond. This triple bond containing one sigma bond and 2 pi bonds, and single bond containing sigma bond. Double bond containing one sigma bond, one pi bond, like this. First we choose ethane molecule. Ethane molecule is a single bonded molecule. All are having single bonds. So sigma, sigma, sigma. Sigma bonds, only single bonds always shows sigma bonds. So how many sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In between the carbon atom, 7. So 7 sigma bonds are present. There is no pi bond. And the another one is ethene molecule. Ethene molecule consists containing double bond having one sigma bond and one pi bond. and each hydrogen C and CH, 4 CH bonds are sigma bonds. So 4 CH bonds are 4 sigma bonds, and another one in between the carbon atom, 1 sigma bond. So ethene having 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. And next one is the ethane. Ethane having alkyne. In between carbon atoms, the triple bond is present. In triple bond, 1 is sigma bond and 2 are pi bonds. And CH bonds are sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 2 are pi bonds, like this.